Welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I will show you how to convert your CSV file into Excel file in Node.js using a very famous library called as SheetJS. SheetJS is also called as XLS module. If you go to npmjs.com, just search for this module XLS, and the command is simple. You simply execute this command to install this module. So I've already installed it. It's also known as SheetJS, an open source library for working with Excel files. So it's a very simple application which converts your comma separated value file, which is also called as CSV file. So we have this input.csv file, and basically it has this content right here. It has three columns: name, age, and country, and then we have two rows of data. And now if I execute the script here, you will see it will convert this CSV file to an XLS file right here, which is an Excel file. So if I try to open this file, it looks something like this. It converted this CSV file into Excel file. We have these three columns: name, age, and country, and then we have the two rows of data as well. So I will show you how to convert this CSV file into Excel file in Node.js. So now the code is pretty simple. So I will go step by step on how to convert this. So first of all, just create a simple index.js file, and right here you need to import the necessary modules. So we simply import the XLS module, and we simply require it like this. And then we also need the built-in path module as well. So we actually imported both these modules right here. You can see XLS module and path module. After that, we need to actually get the input CSV file, which is also present in the same directory. So path.join. Then similarly, we'll be doing it for the same thing for the output Excel file as well. So here we provided all the two files. After that, now we need to read this CSV file. For reading the CSV file, we use this SheetJS module. So it contains this method, which is read file, and it actually reads this input CSV file. So we simply pass the path here, and the second argument will be the type. What type of file is this? So it's a file, and the second property that we need to pass here, which is code page, which is equal to 65001. So in this first step here, we are reading the CSV file, and then after that we just need to get the sheet name. So for getting the sheet name, we simply use workbook, and it contains this function which is sheet names. So here we put the sheet, we are getting the first sheet, and then we actually, the next step is to get the actual sheet. So to access that sheet, we simply use sheets, and then we pass the sheet name right here. So after doing this, now we need to write this to Excel file. For writing it, for saving it to Excel file, we construct this new workbook, and then we again use this utils dot, and it contains this function right here, book new, to actually create a new book. And then the next step is to append this data. So we have this function right here, which is book append sheet, and here we pass this new workbook that we created plus the sheet name, and then you can give any sheet name. So I'm just giving sheet 1. And then lastly, we simply save this by using the write file method. So this will save it as a new Excel file. So here we provide new workbook alongside with the output. So whatever that you have given the name here, output XLS path. And then you can just give it a notification message that your Excel file has been created. So that's all that we need to do right here in this Node.js script. So again, if I delete this Excel file and again run the script, so you will see it will convert this CSV file into Excel file, and you will get this file created. So if I try to open this file, you will see all the content of this CSV file has been exported to Excel file. So if I add some more records right here, so as I added more records here, once again I execute this, you will see if I open the output Excel file, you will see those records will be reflected back. So in this easy way, in Node.js, you can export your CSV file into Excel file very easily. And thank you very much for watching this video.